Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about one of the good stock where we can invest which is good for future investment. Let us start with the fundamental and technical analysis what it will tell and can we invest, so is it will give profit in the future. Let us start. This is a Prestige Estates Project Limited. We can see here Prestige Estates Project Limited engaged in the development, construction and leasing properties. It operates through the following segments: residential, retail, commercial, office, the property management and hospitality. The company was founded by Irfan Razak and Rezwan Razak on April 1, 1986 and is headquartered in Bangalore, India. So let us see the fundamentally how the stock is. We can see here market cap we have 18,404 crores, current price 459, high 502, low 240, stock P 48.7, book value 170 rupees, dividend yield 0.33, ROC 12.3, stock P 48.7, which is bit expensive but we can invest as we see the technical analysis. ROC 12.3, ROE 6.49, face value 10, PEG ratio -12, which is less than 1. We can invest as per we can see. So price, we can see price this one for 59.10. P ratio we can see here it is bit expensive 48.7, and sales margin as we see sales also now it is a 1 for 15.8. So we can see pros here. Company has reduced debt. Cons, there are many cons, but for other prospectors, company is good. Peer comparison, we can compare with DLF, Godrej Properties. Quarterly return, we can see here sales 1416. May it is more, and June it is reduced. It is a quarterly amount in crores. Why it is reduced due to the second wave of COVID? There is a some of the reasons. Each and every stock we will get differences here, so you can analyze yourself before investing. So we can see our net profit 57 crores, before it is 1336. So which is March 21 1336 and June 2021 it is a 57 crore. So EPS earning per share 33.34, 1.43. Profit and loss, we can see net profit 1, this is TTM, this is March 2021, 1456, TTM 1512. So it is good, net profit is good, we can see 1456 crores. Dividend payout 15%, 4%. Sales compounded growth 10 years 17%, 5 years 6%, 3 years 10%. Compounded profit growth TTM 31%, 3 years 2%, 5 years -4%, 10 years 9%. Stock price CAGR 88%, 1 year it is, which is good. Return on equity, we can see last year 6%, 3 years, last year 7%, 5 years 7%, and last 10 years 8%. Balance sheet, we can see total assets and liabilities 26,450 crores. Cash flow 1560. This is the net cash flow. Ratios, we can see ROC 12%, last year, last March 2020 it is 13%. Shareholding pattern, promoter 65.48, FIIs 28.15, domestic 3.93, and public 2.44. So let us come to the technical analysis. Stock today trading it is 494.60 rupees, 494.60 rupees today stock trading. If we see the, I have applied for one day, you can see here is a moving average, it is a upward trend, so the price will go upward because here also three green candle of 1 2 3 4, there is a big three candles, one small candle and one is a small green one, so which is indicates the it will increase the price. So here RSI we can see 72.12, we can see here, and MACD it is crossing the line and it is going upward direction, which is good indication for investment. So now today it is trading for 494.60 rupees. We can see here technically, you can see here day range it will grow I not 3.15 as per day range. You can see here 2017, you can see profit margin 6.68, Profit margin for 2018 7.90, profit margin for 2019 4.90, profit margin for 2020 19.59. It is increasing only. You can see 1 year performance, it is given 97.56% return. YTD yet to date it is a 85.87, 6 months 61.85%, within the 3 months it is performed 69.88%, 1 month 40.63%, and within 1 week 24.93%, which is very good. So we can see a more technical analysis. So if we go as per the 1 day, it is a strong buy. We'll go with the 1 minute. You can see here it is a buy. If we go with 5 minutes also, it will show buy. 15 minutes, by 30 minutes it will go strong buy. So 1 hour it will go strong buy. We will go through the 1 month, it will show as a strong buy. So it means it is a good to buy, as a technical it is showing to strong buy. So we can invest and we can get the good return as per the technical analysis. Guys, if you have any doubt, queries, you can keep your message in comment box, and if any other stock you want analysis, you can message me. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.